For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And the question goes like this. Without using any calculators, evaluate this expression 3 raised to the power of 967 minus 3 raised to the power of 965 plus 16 all over 3 raised to the power of 965 plus 2. Thanks to Sir Bert for suggesting this question. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so without using any calculator, we need to evaluate this expression 3 raised to the power of 967 minus 3 raised to the power of 965 plus 16 all over 3 raised to the power of 965 plus 2. Alright, so to answer this question, what we're going to do is to notice this similar term. We have 3 raised to the power of 965. We have here 1 on the denominator and 1 here on the numerator. So now, focus on this exponent 967. So 967 can be written as 965 plus 2. So we can write this like this. Now, let's have some loss of exponent. Now take note, when we have b raised to the power of a plus c, this can be written as b raised to the power of a multiply by b raised to the power of c. So now, this expression right here can be written as 3 raised to the power of 965 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, why we do that? Because notice that we have here similar terms, 3 raised to the power of 965. Now, when we have a lot of similar terms, what we're going to do is to replace this by a single variable, and let's call this as t. So now, all of these 3 raised to the power of 965, we can now replace this with the variable t. So if we do that, we look something like this. We have t multiplied by 3 squared minus t plus 16 all over t plus 2. Again, those t is just 3 raised to the power of 965. Alright, so let's focus on the expression with the variable t. Now, let's simplify. 3 raised to the power of 2, this will give us 9. And 9 multiplied by t, this will give us 90, or we can write this as 90. Next, 90 minus t, we can combine this. This will give us 8 multiplied by t. Now, this 16 is just 8 times 2. So we can see a common factor of 8. So we have a common factor of 8, so we can factor out 8. If we do that, we get 8 multiplied by t plus 2. Now, we have t plus 2 on the numerator and t plus 2 on the denominator, so we can cancel out this t plus 2. So what we have now is just 8. Therefore, our answer to this question is simply equal to 8. And our answer, what is the simplest form, without using any calculator, of 3 raised to 967 minus 3 raised to 965 plus 16 all over 3 raised to the power of 965 plus 2, and our answer is 8. So thanks to Sir Bert for suggesting this question. And as always, we are done.